How to lace your Groovelock G4 in seconds with no new lace required. Step 1. Thread your lace through the top hole and adjust your G4 to your desired length. Step 2. Bend your lace into the bottom anglet notch and start twirling into the grooves. Step 3. Once you've reached the last groove, tuck any excess lace back into the top hole and anchor it into the notch. Repeat the same process for your second lace. Now, that's how you thread, twirl and tuck your lace with Groovelock G4. It's that simple. Snap together for tightness control and stylish look. It's that simple.